What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are checking out the ADA price here, okay? On the 1 hourly chart, ADA is looking to have an explosive move to the upside, in my opinion. I'm going to show you how ADA can hit $2 in the next coming days, okay? So make sure to stay tuned in this episode. Also, my Ethereum breakout here from this diamond reversal pattern met my first target. Say it's going to be in a couple of hours. Then this could take the Ethereum price all the way to $3,600 range, okay? $3,550 to be conservative. As you can see, the Ethereum price just got above the $3,550. Time to take some profits, guys. If you're interested in trading, make sure to check out my favorite day trading platform is PrimeXbt for day trading, okay? If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50, you can get up to 50% in addition of what you deposit. My favorite leverage trading platform for swing trading is Bybit. If you use my link in the description, you can get up to $1,610 of bonus. We'll be also taking a look at Solana, okay? Not looking very bullish, okay, against the US dollar at the moment. And also we'll be taking a look at waves, looking for an explosive move to the upside, in my opinion. So all of this, guys, in today's episode. Make sure to smash up the like button. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. No financial advisor, don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. All right, guys, zooming out here on the 4 hourly chart, let's take a look here at the price of ADA hitting this major resistance at the $1.50. We did talk about this for many days now on ADA, this huge ascending triangle breaking to the downside. As you can see, we fell out from this channel. You know, the measured move was retesting this support. We met the target already, and now we are breaking from this support level of this ascending triangle, okay? So now what can we expect for ADA in the short term? Well, I think that we've only got to the 11th of May. This is potentially going to happen in the next coming hours for a huge explosive breakout, okay? This could be to the downside also, but I do believe it's going to be to the upside, okay? We've got the demand, okay, making higher lows here. As you can see, we did have a fake out. We had a sell-off. Now retesting the support, we have come back in this ascending triangle. We got this major resistance level, the fourth attempt now on this resistance, which is at the $1.50. So now what can we expect for the ADA price in the next coming hours and days? Well, a huge breakout to the upside, and the measured move, okay, is the back from this ascending triangle. The impulsive measured move from this huge demand is coming all the way up to the $2 range, okay, potentially a little bit higher. So we can expect this for ADA in the next coming days. We might have a huge sell-off to the downside, and this could take the ADA price all the way down to the 80-cent level, which is very unlikely in my opinion, because we are creating higher lows here. So this pattern is extremely bullish. ADA has got really good news coming out, so we can look for an explosive move to the upside, guys. Remember, this can be traded on Bybit. So if you want to use my link in the description, you can get up to $1,610 as a bonus. And get ready for this explosive move for ADA. Okay, we need to see some nice volume breaking to the upside, $1.55, $1.60, and then this would be a confirmed breakout from this huge resistance point. This could be a move of about 34%, okay, all the way up to 35%. And if you use a 10x leverage, which is a reasonable leverage, okay, you can do a 350% gain, guys. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum met my first target here at the $3,550 range, okay, with a conservative target, which is already good to take some profits. Now, let's take a look at the 1 hourly chart here, and we can see some bearish divergence. Okay, shout out to Carl from the Moon for seeing this, because the price of Ethereum is going up and the RSI is going down, and usually this has an impact to the downside. Okay, we might see the RSI coming down to the oversold territory and the price of Ethereum coming down. Not necessarily this is going to happen, but we might see some type of correction in the short term, okay? So let's zoom out here, because this diamond reversal pattern second target, okay, from breaking to the upside, my first one was from this correction over here, okay, as you can see on the chart, and now we go the second target would be getting this correction over here for the leg up. Okay, well, this might take a couple of days to arrive to the target, but from this point all the way to the pattern is, and from the breakout, you know, we could go to the $3,850 range, okay, in the next coming days. But we might see some type of correction first, guys. So if you took this trade, you know, it's good to take some profits around this area like I mentioned before. Let's take a look at Solana. Okay, Solana, I've got someone in the comment section asking for Solana and also some other cryptocurrencies. I have a list and I'll be bringing them out in the next video. So if you've got any crypto that you want me to take a look for some technical analysis in the short term, please leave it in the comment section. I will be pulling out the charts of your favorite crypto. Now let's zoom in here on the 1 hourly chart for Solana and see what's happened in the last couple of days. Okay, so from late April, we can see that we were in this huge channel, okay, to the upside, and we have all this support level and this support, this resistance, creating this channel. As you can see here, we broke the channel to the downside, and now we're getting rejected from this resistance of the support of the channel, creating also a double top scenario here at the all-time high, which is just below the $50. Now I put this orange box here so to see that this is the major resistance to break, and also this support level around about the $41 and this consolidation phase right over here to see that this is major support. So now we need to look for a breakout from this resistance and this support. Before we continue, let's zoom out here so I can show you this scenario, that similar scenario that happened, okay, for Solana in late March and the beginning of April. We were in this huge ascending channel. Whoops. As you can see, this major resistance, we've got this support level, breaking the support to the downside, and also creating a double top scenario right over here. I put this orange box so you can see, which this means a double top scenario, major resistance, and also creating this support level from the breakout of the channel, okay? And then we bounced quite a few times here on this support level, so we can see that we also created, you know, the measured move from this double top scenario, or you could potentially say an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder, because the left shoulder is not higher than this middle bit, okay? This could be also a double top or a kind of inverse shoulder, head and shoulder. Anyway, the measured move is the same. We get the top here all the way to the support level, and you can clearly see that from the breakout, as you can see from this breakout, you know, we've met the target perfectly here to the downside and then suddenly shoot back up. So this is only short-term corrections. This is the logarithmic chart. That's why when I do a measured move, okay, you know, the bar gets bigger or smaller if I move it up and down, because it's the logarithmic chart, guys. Now let's zoom in on what's happening now for Solana in the short term. We can see this double top scenario, okay, right over here. We've broken out from the channel, got rejection. Now we got major support right over here. So this needs to hold, or this resistance needs to be broken to the upside to remain bullish. So if we break this support level to the downside, guys, it is very simple. The measured technical move is getting from the top of the resistance from the double top all the way down to the support level. A breakout to the downside could take Solana all the way down to the 34, 35 to be conservative, okay, dollars. If we break this support level at the $41. If we break to the upside, well, we could potentially see this also as a double bottom scenario, guys, because we have created this support level right over here, and also we are creating this other bottom right over here. So this is also a double bottom scenario. We need to see which one is going to play out. Very simple. If we break this, well, with this, I'll show you the measured target now. We break this one, we go to the $34, $36 range. Okay, so the measured move to the upside, you know, getting the support all the way to the resistance, and from the breakout, Solana can go to $56, $55 in the short term, okay, as you can see here, the measured move. This is what I've got for Solana update technical analysis. Let's take a look at Waves, because Waves is looking extremely bullish in my opinion. This happens a lot in crypto, okay? This is a bull pennant. What is it? It's an extreme large bull pennant. This happens to a lot of cryptocurrencies will suddenly go sideways for a long time, you know, creating this pennant or descending wedge, and then suddenly we have a blast off move. Okay, we can see this in Dogecoin, but Dogecoin, there's no technicals on Dogecoin. It is absolutely just hype. Okay, with the social media. Let's take a look at what happened right over here. For example, you know, we can see this huge bull flag. You know, bull flags are usually not this long, but the measured move, you know, it's easy, guys. From this huge consolidation phase right over here, this lower part from the leg up all the way to the top here, and from the breakout, you get the pole and you put it to the support level always. From the breakout to the support from the bull flag. Okay, the resistance, the support, you do not put it in the resistance, you put it in this on the support. Okay, from the breakout, and exactly met the target right over here. Okay, for Solana. So what can we expect for this breakout? Okay, for Solana, not Solana, sorry guys, waves US dollar. We can see that this breakout, you know, the measured move is getting the lower part here from the leg up all the way into the pennant, and from the breakout, okay, which could happen in the next coming hours or days. This could take the price of waves all the way to the $43, $42 range, guys. So this could be a great trade. This can be traded on Binance Future. If you want to use my link in the description, if you haven't got an account, make sure to check it out, guys. You can get 10% saved on fees on Binance Future by using my link in the description. Now, guys, if this breaks to the downside, you know, I would go with the conservative move first, which would be getting the width, okay, from this descending wedge. And from a breakout to the downside, this could take the wave price all the way to the $27. And to the upside, the conservative would be $41, okay, meeting all-time highs right over here. I'm not sure if it's all-time highs actually. Well, with this high over here meeting this target, this is the conservative target, and you know, the aggressive target, like I showed you, is getting this pole to the upside from the pennant and from the breakout, depending if it's going to be in the next couple of hours or days, to the $44, $45 range. Okay, guys, this is what I've got for today's episode. Make sure to smash up the like button. And if you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, guys, we got great tutorials, reviews, we got articles, the latest technical analysis and news. We got all sorts here, guys, so you can check it out and learn from the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency industry. I'll be leaving the link in the description of the website. And if you haven't seen my Bybit or my PrimeXbt tutorial to learn how to leverage trade, I'll be leaving the videos popping up on the screen. And make sure to smash up the like button, guys, and I will see you in the next one.